If you've traded meme coins, you probably know how most of them crash and disappear. Maybe you're tired of throwing money into hopeless projects. Or maybe you're ready to flip the script and actually start making profits. Either way, stick around. I'm going to guide you through how to launch meme coins the smart way. Here's the game changer. Stop betting on meme coins and start launching them yourself. Sure, pump fund seems like the go-to, but let's be real, it's chaos over there. Unless you've got something crazy up your sleeve, good luck standing out. It's time to upgrade. While everyone else is drowning in pump fund spam, we're stepping into where serious players move. Radium. Better fundamentals, solid metrics, and most importantly, a manageable 5 to 10 launches per minute instead of hundreds. Launching on Radium is way simpler than you think, thanks to Bitlik Sol. No coding, no headaches, just a few clicks and you're live. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Let's get into it. Step 1 will be the logo creation. Make it funny or attention-grabbing, boring won't cut it. I usually browse trending memes on social media and remix one. Example this hilarious chicken jockey from Minecraft. Save it as 128 by 128 pixels and create public link, then simply copy it, and you good to go. This is where you break away from the crowd. Now, the real action starts. Step 2 is coin creation. First, connect your wallet and approve the permissions when asked. That's it, you're now inside Bitlik Sol. Let's define your coin. I'm going to type in chicken jockey as the name. Pretty straightforward. For the symbol, let's go with jockey. Now write a fun little description. I usually go with something like, that's right, chicken jockey is now a meme coin. Next, upload the logo we created earlier and hit next. The tokenomics here are already pre-filled and designed for meme coins, so you don't have to stress about anything. You can review them if you want, but if you're good with it, just click next again. Now comes the important security part. Do not skip this. Turn on all 3 revoke options. Revoke freeze so no one can block transactions. Revoke mint so no one can print unlimited coins. Revoke update so the contract can't be changed secretly. These protect your project and build trust with buyers. Once you've triple-checked that all 3 revokes are active, hit the launch button. Wait a few seconds and your wallet will pop up. Approve the transaction and just like that, your coin is live. Let me write a password and then the transactions will appear. Yes, maybe there will be a warning, but it's completely safe. I do this hundreds of times a day. Basically, it's just the fees of the Solana and the Bitlik Sol website. So let's just press confirm and proceed anyways a couple times. And after you confirm all the transactions, the coin will be created. It's the most satisfying part of the token creation process. And boom, our token is live. Let's double check it. Press view on Solskin button. And what we can see, yeah, all the transactions that we just confirmed now in our token, we have all of our revokes turned on, but we don't done yet. Now it's time to push our token to the Radium so we can stack a couple hundreds of bucks. Let's go back to the Bitlik Sol and press create liquidity pool. It's redirect us to the Radium. Copy your token address from the Bitlik Sol and paste it into the base token. Then enter the name and symbol exactly the same way as before. Click Add User Token. Now select your token. You'll see the total supply, which is 1 billion. We're going to add 900 million to the liquidity pool. Why? Because that's the meme coin standard. It keeps the token liquid while holding some in reserve. For the Solana part, go all in, but make sure to leave 0.2 SOL to cover Radium's fee. And don't worry, your SOL is not locked. You can withdraw at any time. When it comes to the fee tier, I always choose 2%. That's my sweet spot. Some people say 0.5% also works, but I haven't tested it myself. Now for the final part of this step. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction in your wallet, and just like that, your token is officially listed on Radium. It's live, it's tradable, and now your meme coin is sitting right there on the Photon listings waiting for its first trades. Now let's track your token's performance in real time. For this, I always use dexscreener. It's easier to read than Photon and works great for live updates. The process is simple. Pick any token from the list, then grab your token address from Bitlik Sol and paste it into the dexscreener URL. Just like that, you'll get a full dashboard. The most important number to watch is liquidity. Keep your eyes on it. You'll also see constant bot trades flying by. They're just noise, ignore them. Focus on the real signals. While we wait for your token to show up in the data, let's open your Radium portfolio. Go to the Standard tab, not the Advanced one. Your liquidity position will appear there in about 10 to 15 minutes. No need to refresh nonstop. Just give the blockchain a little time. This is also where you'll later withdraw profits directly to your wallet when it's time. Here's a time lapse showing how our launch is performing. It's mostly self-explanatory, but here are the key takeaways. Bot activity in the beginning is totally normal. Don't panic. Focus on what really matters: trading volume, market cap, and most of all, liquidity. That's your moneymaker. Keep watching your Radium portfolio until your position appears. When the numbers reach your target, it's time to take profit. Head to your Radium portfolio and open the Standard tab. Find your liquidity pool position and click the minus button. Slide it to 100%. Don't worry about the top numbers. Focus on the Solana value at the bottom. That's your real payout. Click Remove Liquidity and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once it goes through, check your wallet balance. It should be updated with the Solana you just pulled out. We've just made a solid profit over our initial investment in only a few minutes. While it may not be life-changing, this is a working strategy. And if you repeat it multiple times a day, it can become a consistent stream of extra income. Here's an important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I have no affiliation with Photon, Bitlik Sol, dexscreener, or any other platforms mentioned. Everything shown here is just a demonstration of how MemeCoin launches work. The market can change at any time. Always do your own research and act responsibly.